welcome back to my channel. My name is Hooja, and today we are just going to be doing a cute little look. It's kind of trending right now. Alicia Keys actually just did this trend for the Grammys. So I'm like, you know what? I've been wanting to do it for a while, and then Alicia just did it. I think it's a sign. So I went and purchased some stuff and got to do this hairstyle. It's very easy to do and it's very affordable. So subscribe while you're at it, and honestly, we could just jump into the video. So today we are going to be using Outre hair for this style that I want to create. We are going to be doing a high pony with some gems on our edges. It's a new trend. My friends are very generous and nice. They sent me over some hair, and this is their Xpression. So it's actually in the color 1B. It's pre-stretched, pre-layered, and it's 52 inches. So we finna get it popping in here. I'm gonna show you guys what it looks like outside of the package, but this is what it looks like, just in case you guys are going to the store and you want to purchase it. So this is what she looks like. We are just going to get started. So this is how long the hair is, okay? So it's pretty long. But because we have three, I am actually going to combine all three of them. I got my handy dandy eco styler here, and this is the black castor and flaxseed oil. We are just going to get to refreshing. We're just going to apply our gel and put our hair in a top knot. Very easy. Because we are doing our edges, we are actually going to take some out now. We're going to be doing them everywhere. So I'm going to be taking out a decent amount of edges. Take out as much as you want, as little as you want. Just getting that as smooth as possible. Get that as high as you can. We are going to braid our hair or twist our hair. If your hair's thick, braid it. If your hair is thin, just twist it. I'm actually going to braid my hair. So now we are going to twist our our braid very tightly, and then we are going to put a rubber band around it. So our next step is going to be attach. We're going to wrap our ponytail holder around our braid. We're actually going to take a small section. You can actually use more than one pack if you want to. We are going to take our section that we had, and we are actually going to wrap it around our base very well. And that's essentially going to hide our rubber band. And then depending on how well you are wrapping it, the end of the section could either be on the side, but we want to wrap it all the way to the back. So we're just going to take another bobby pin and secure it. So now we're just going to brush all that out, and I actually braided the other piece. That kind of gave it a little frilly effect. And then we are just going to add in this piece to our hair as well, because you know I'm extra. And hiding our bun, and boom. It seems really high, but this is also like a dramatic pony. Oh, I'm feeling myself. If you are a gel girl, use your gel. Use your gels. If you're a got-to-be girl, use your got-to-be. You're also gonna need your lovely scarf. It usually needs some warming up, so I just put it on my hand and I just warm it up with my finger. Yeah, our edges are super important today because we really want to swirl them and all that fun stuff. So really get your edges laid, okay, ladies? Take a toothbrush, a comb, or a brush. I mean, it doesn't really matter, just as long as your edges are really laying, okay? I usually don't do edges, but today we gonna do some edges, okay? And you can also like swoop them, just kind of curve them in and really lay them down. You gotta use pressure when you're doing your edges. Now we really just have to really like lay into them, okay? And now I'm just gonna move on to the next little section of baby hair. With our gems, we need to leave a bit of space when we're doing these. So definitely like kind of open them up, leave a space open so that we can kind of place our gems. So that's a good spacing, and we can actually put in a gem right there. It's pretty basic how I've been doing them. You just really want to like curl them, swoop into them, and I'm gonna lay them down. So our edges are nice and complete. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wrap them up. My gems that I got from Hobby Lobby, they were $6. They're the Swarovski Crystals. They actually had a bunch of different styles. I was like, okay. But I got some that were pretty noticeable just because I'm just like, I mean, of course I'd wear this out, but I for sure would definitely want something that's pretty blinged out, you feel me? And you're also gonna need some Got To Be Free spray. The way that, I mean, I don't think I've seen anybody do this yet, so I don't know how people are sticking them on. I mean, it could make sense to put like glue on the back of them, or I could use my Got To Be spray and just like use a Q-tip and just kind of dot it on and stick it on that way using tweezers. I know for a fact that there are hair gems that actually do just stick on, but your girl was like, I don't have time to wait. I just need something really fast. So that's the reason why I didn't go with just hair gems that already had the sticky backs on them. I know. I'm just gonna spray the back of something so that I can dip onto with my Q-tips. I'm for sure going to put one right here. I'm gonna put them on the inside and outside. I just kind of dipped it on there. Just gonna kind of put pressure on it. Might do them a bunch of different ways. Let's see. So right now I'm just dipping them inside of that little puddle of Got To Be that I made with my freeze spray. So the next one is going to go right here. Oh, they be sticking, y'all. I feel like a little princess, okay? So now that all of our edges are secured with our gems, I'm actually gonna spray. Whoa, wrong way. Y'all ain't see that. Oh God, I'm actually gonna spray my head. I'm really feeling myself, y'all. I wish I could have changed my shirt because I feel like my shirt not matching my head, but it's okay. It's still a cute little look, and I hope you guys actually do try it. I'm gonna put down a bunch of links where you can get a lot of the different products, like the gems if you want some, or I'm even gonna put down maybe like hair gems, different brands. But I'm really excited, like really excited. And this look would not have been complete without my Outre hair. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, hunty.